Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to fix a rope to a bag. So you can see this is the front part and the other side is the back part. That side has Ankara print is the back. You can see, you will notice that there's two holes in the bag. I fixed it, but then you can decide to use an eyelet instead, but then I'll be using the hole. You can see how neat the handle is. So now I have my matches, I have my rope, I have my safety pin, and I have my scissors. So you're going to fix the safety pin to the rope. Then when you fix the safety pin to the rope, you're going to, through the hole that you created for the bag, like something like loop that you created for the bag, you're going to fix it inside. Then you're going to fix it inside the folded part of the bag. Just make sure you turn it in before closing it. So you're going to fix the rope inside that folded part. So when you fold it through the front side, you're going to try to bring it out, and when you bring it out, you fold it through the second part again. You can see how it goes, how it's going. You're going to fold it through the second part. This thing takes patience. It's very easy. Once you know how to do it, you can be able to do it anytime. It's very easy. Then when you bring it out, you now put it inside the loop. There are two ways that you can tie it. You can decide to tie it like this. Any way you are comfortable with. Each way you choose to do it works. And you can decide to bring one rope out, then tie it like that. Then when you remove the safety pin, then you're going to tie it. Then when you tie it, you burn it so that the rope will not be falling off. It's not going to spoil. It's going to last long. Once you can do, there's nothing that can happen to the rope. Nothing can cut the rope except to use scissors. Decide to use scissors to cut out the rope. Now you can see that we've done the first part. Now we'll do I'll show you how to do it the same way you do the first part. That's how you're going to do the second part in the video. The same way. It's the same thing. You just have to follow the same process of the way I did the first part. That's the way. You see that thing in the middle, that loop in the middle is just for fashion. You can decide to put your keyhole or whatever you want to put. It's just for fashion. Just be creative. Do something creative. Creativity does not end anyway. You can just do any creative stuff anytime or anywhere. So remember that what I used to turn it inside was 1 inch, and you can decide to make it not to be up to 1 inch. Anyhow, just make sure that your rope fits in. Once you are sure that your rope is going to fit, so don't use half inch, because half inch is not going to be nice at all. You can decide to do any type of creativity on the back. You can decide to add more space up so that it will have ruffles. Whichever way you want to do it, it works. It's very, very okay. Just make sure you are very creative and you just do something nice. Just do something okay. Then you can see, instead of putting inside, I did not put my own inside. It's your choice. It's a matter of choice. So I decided to tie it like this. You might be thinking that what's the work of the matches? You see what I'll use the matches for. You're supposed to use lighter, not matches. Matches is just like improvised material. You can see. This is what you're going to do. You're going to burn it a little bit. Then you're going to off it. Then you're going to press it. Press it. Be careful of your hand. That thing is it's painful. It's dangerous. So you can see, this is what, if you not burn the end part, this is what you'll be doing to be freeing, or you should be removing like that. And so once it can remove, everything is going to spoil. So you have to be careful. That's the work of the fire. The fire is, you're supposed to melt that thing so that it's not free off. It's not going to remove anyhow. You are supposed to use light and not matches, but I don't have light. I had to improvise. That's why I'm using matches. You can see how neat the finishing is. Nothing is going to remove. It's just going to be like that. Nothing can spoil it. Nothing can cut, except you decide to use blade or scissors to cut it. The rope is strong like that. That's all for our tutorial. Kindly let me know if you have any question. Kindly drop it in the comment section. Thank you. I love you. Bye. See you next time.